So hello, I'm Gage Crum, an associate professor in the USC Stem Cell Center at the School of Medicine. And I'd like to introduce a new course, MEDS-380, Stem Cells Fact or Fiction. So the impetus for this course is I've always been fascinated by the blend between our fictional representation of what's possible with biology and what's the reality of what's going on in stem cell research and genetic research. When I was an undergraduate, first got interested in science when I heard that they were taking a fluorescent protein from fireflies and putting that in tobacco plants so that these plants can now glow in the dark. Then after that, they would also take these fluorescent proteins, put them in rabbits to make glow-in-the-dark rabbits. And so I think it just opens up a whole bunch of issues, both for how we can improve human health, but also potentially crazy things that could happen 10 or 100 years in the future. And so this course really explores a lot of these issues. How even now we're having babies born with 3 biological parents instead of 2 biological parents. How we're able to regrow or potentially regrow body parts. And so what this course does is it takes some of the visionary literature and movies, such as we discussed Gattaca and some older films and some works by Philip K. Dick and Margaret Atwood, who really envision what might be the future of this biological revolution. And then we go into the kind of the nuts and bolts and the science behind it and what is really possible with stem cell technology and genetic engineering today, and what might be possible far off in the future, where we're not taking cells and using them to regrow body parts, but we're making our own cells. So we're synthesizing own synthetic life forms or synthetic body parts. So really this is a bit of a mad scientist type of course where we go through some real science, but also just be really creative in thinking of what's the future of science.